From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. Attorney General Mark Herring admitted today to dressing as a rapper and darkening his skin with makeup and performing a song with his friends in 1980. Herring apologized, calling his conduct as a young man callous and inexcusable. Now all of Virginia's top 3 elected state government officials are facing serious scandals that put their careers in jeopardy. Just 4 days ago, Herring called for Governor Ralph Northam's resignation over a racist photo that appeared in his page in his 1984 med school yearbook. So far, lawmakers from both parties are not saying much about this latest development.
I would like to think that our government is a lot more resilient than 1 or 2 or 3 scandals that might be happening on any given day. This is, for now, political. We are focusing on governing. We are focusing on getting the people's work done. And as legislators, we have a lot of responsibilities on our plates, and we're focusing on our jobs right now.
Also today, Vanessa Tyson, the woman who is accusing Lieutenant Governor Justin Fairfax of sexual assault, has issued a detailed and graphic account of the 2004 alleged incident. Thus far, Fairfax has not responded to her latest comments. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.